Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Julia Wilson. She's the Family and Consumer Sciences Agent in Edmonson County. Good morning, Julia.
Good morning, Kristi.
Well, Julia, an emergency is never something that we want to think about, and it's not necessarily something that we can expect or plan for, but you're here today to tell us that there are some steps that we can take if we find ourselves in an emergency situation.
Yes, that's right. So September is National Preparedness Month because disasters don't wait. And so this is something I recommend to families and individuals every year, especially in the fall before our winter kind of gets going here in Kentucky. And that's to have an emergency kit made and ready. So if you do need it, you're not scrambling to find those supplies. So what is an emergency kit? So first thing we want to think about is food. You want at least a 3-day supply of non-perishable, shelf-stable food that's easy to prepare and doesn't require a lot of cooking. Because in the event of a power outage, you're not going to be able to, cook maybe that rice that you have or other items. So think about those easy-to-make foods like cereal, peanut butter and crackers, the prepackaged cheese and crackers, cereal bars. Dried fruit, the fruit cups that are shelf stable. You can buy salmon packs or tuna packs. You can buy chicken salad in a can. Things like that, that's going to be easy to eat. It doesn't require a lot of prepping. And something to keep in mind, if you have canned stuff, make sure you have a can opener as well, because it doesn't do you much good if you forget that can opener. So having some food already set aside, maybe in a tote by itself, saying this is my emergency kit. Having that food ready to go. So if there is an emergency, you're not scrambling trying to get to the store to buy those supplies. Another thing to consider is water, having emergency water. The recommendation is 1 gallon per person per day, at least a 3-day supply. Some of our viewers may remember back in 2009, we had an ice storm, especially in some of our northern counties and rural areas. They went a couple weeks without water. So having some water stored for, for drinking, for sanitation is very handy to have. So just having that water and that food is a great first step to your emergency kit. And again, you can have all that together in a single location in your house, maybe a tote, in a closet, just somewhere where you know where it is if you need it. So once we get past water and food, there's some other recommendations. A first aid kit, a simple scratch or something does need to be treated in an emergency. So having that first aid kit with bandages and ointment to take care of that. Flashlights with extra batteries. If the power is out, it doesn't do you any good to have a bunch of flashlights if you don't know where they are. So have them in one single location. So if the power goes out, you know where they are and you can get them. Even headlamps are very nice. Because then you can wear it on your head and you're not having to use one of your hands to take care of something. So other things to think about, do you have dogs? Do you have young children? Do you have older adults in your home? Are there special needs they may need? Such as diapers, dog food. Do your elderly relatives living with you have certain medications they're going to need? Maybe try to have that stuff in the emergency kit as well. And then think about, hygiene. Baby wipes are great to clean up with in a pinch. Toothbrush, toothpaste, things like that is what you need to have. And then, an extra phone charger and a cord. You can buy the little solar packs or, extra battery packs that you can charge your phone in case of an emergency if the power is out. And one other thing to have is an emergency radio. They do make hand crank radios, so if the batteries go dead, you can still get those weather alerts or listen to your local station. And many of those radios may come with a whistle or even some kind of alarm on them if you need that as well.
Now, Julia, if someone is watching and they want more information on emergency preparedness, what can they ask for when contacting their extension office?
They can just say they want to prepare an emergency kit and they would like a list of items to include in that kit. Ready.gov has a list ready. You can look at it and prepare your own kit at home.
Well, thank you so much, Julia, for being here today.
Thank you for having me, Kristi.
Thank you so much for watching. And if you want more information on emergency preparedness, contact your local extension office. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a great day.